have a lot of juice recipes here on the channel. Green juice, apple, orange, a lot. Have you tried any of them yet? These are just some of the juices we are used to making and drinking, right? But did you know that you can make potato juice? We recently made a video showing you how to use potato juice on your hair. But did you know this juice has other incredible benefits? Potatoes can be cooked, baked, fried, and even added to salads. They have a lot of water and dietary fiber and are a good source of carbs. Drinking potato juice will bring some amazing benefits for your body, such as raw potato juice has powerful anti-inflammatories that turn this juice into a natural remedy against muscle and joint aches. It also alleviates different types of pain as an analgesic. It improves cardiovascular health by increasing blood circulation and regulating cholesterol levels. Drinking potato juice reduces inflammation and improves heart function, lowering the risk of chronic diseases like hypertension and atherosclerosis. Source of energy. Potato juice helps the body break down the carbs used as energy. It is excellent for the eyes, skin, teeth, and nervous system. Did you know potato juice can help with digestion? We have a video showing how to make raw potato juice for indigestion, gastritis, flatulence, stomach ulcers, and acid reflux. If this is your case, drink 2 tablespoons of it after every meal. Potato is good for the skin and when used topically can aid in treating acne, spots, sunburns, and eczema, bringing a refreshing sensation that alleviates pain and irritation. And if that wasn't enough, potato juice also prevents fluid retention, reducing bloating and favoring weight loss. It improves the immune system and is excellent against flu and colds. Isn't it incredible? The juice is super easy to make. You will need 3 ripe potatoes without sprouts or eyes and 7 ounces of water. Did you know that green potatoes or those with eyes contain toxins? Don't use those. Do the following. Peel and dice the potatoes, then add the slices and water to the blender. Once it is smooth, separate the juice into 2 doses, half a glass each, and drink in the morning and night. Tell us, did you know this recipe already? Try this juice now that you know all of its benefits. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.